Hi everyone, this is my finance website which users can look up, buy, sell stocks, also deposit and withdraw money. So for stock information, I use Ajax API, which you can see over here. So in this website, you can create an account for free and they will give you an API token like this. To initialize my website, I will export my API key in VS Code, like this. All right, so for backend, I use Python with Flask library to get information and control the logic. I use SQL to SQLite to store the data and werkzeug security to hash the password. So let's check it out. So here you can see we are in the login page. I'm gonna refresh it, and we are seeing this one because I haven't started my application. So let me do it. I will do the last one, and it should give me a link like this. Yep. And if we go back and refresh it, now it should work now. All right. So in the login page, if I don't do anything and if I don't type anything and click login, we pop up a crunchy cat face was saying must provide username. If I type random username without typing any password, say must provide password. And if I type random username and password, it will say invalid username and password. So let's go to register page. So in this page, I actually use Ajax to respond to user action. So if I don't put anything and click register, it will pop up an alert message saying must provide username. So if I put username, but without any typing password, say must provide password. Put password, it will say password not match. All right, so let me put. Oh, there's also one more case. So we show you my database in here. For example, if I have the username, for example, on, if I put it here on, and the password, random password, we check this name is already registered or not because it's already in database, so it's saying username not available. So we have to use different name now. So for example, if I use blue and password, let's say 123, 23, and then again 23, and register. Yep. So we're in. All right. So what do we have here? We have codes, buy, sell, and history. Right now, history we don't have anything, and homepage also we don't have anything. So what does the codes page do? It check if our symbol what the detail of the symbol. For example, if I want to check Apple, I put the symbol of Apple is AAPL in here. Click codes. It will show me share Apple is this price 138. All right. But what if I don't put anything? It will show me the message missing symbol. If I put random symbol, then it say invalid symbol. All right. Let me check one more. Company, for example, Nike, which is NKE, I think. Yep. So it's 87. So if I want to buy Apple or Nike, I want to buy. Let's say Apple. Let's say I want to buy 50, which it redirects me to the homepage with the bots message and all the information here. The price, the number of shares, will pop up in here in the total. All right. What if I buy Nike, but I bought like 1,000? What does it do? We're saying kind of afford because we don't have enough money. So let me buy 20 only. 20 bought. Yeah, Nike. All right. So if we want to sell it, we pop up only two only for us to choose because we only have two. All right. So if we don't choose anything, we would say missing symbol. And let me sell, for example, 5 shares of Apple. Then it redirects me to the homepage again with the sold message. So you see, we only have 45 left, right? And in here, we only can put numeric number in here, the whole number. So for example, 1.5 should be invalid. Yep. All right. So let's check the history page. In here, we're showing the share. And here -5 meaning we sell it. And the time, day and time. Also the sell. What if I put Apple and I put 100? We only have 45 right now. What if I put 100? And we're saying too many shares. We don't have that much. All right. So if we go, we can check our portfolio by going to our profile also. So in portfolio, there's a pie chart here: Apple, Nike, and now USD. We can also change the password, deposit money, or withdraw money in here. So for example, I put $1,000. Let's check. We have 19.9%. Let's go up to 27.2. If I withdraw 1,000, let's go back to 19.9. And what if I don't put anything? Yep, missing cash. Same for withdrawing, missing cash. Yeah. So how about the change password? What does it do? It's asking us to retype the old password, new password, and confirmation. So if I don't do anything, we say must provide password. If I typing everything correct again, let's say 1, 2, 3 in here, 4, 5, 6 here, 4, 5, 6, and change. We do password updated. So if we go out, log out, so username blue, and then password 5, 6 should be logged in. Yep, in again with the change password. everything is back to normal. Yep. All right. Thank you for watching.